I received my cast iron stove the other day, about 2 or 3 days ago. Quote unquote cast iron stove. This thing has just got some kind of cast iron spray on it, and I've only used it one time, and the cast iron spray is flaking off of this thing. This is just metal underneath here. Exposed metal. I've used it one time. Also, these fire resistant things lined the inside of this door right here, and the adhesive melted the first time I used it too. So not super.
Well, they're fully tightened on, but the holes on the bottom here are too big to actually hold in the screws, and the holes on this are so tight that they actually stripped the bolt. But yeah, this isn't going to keep any smoke in.
Hey, buddy.
Q95 Indies Classic Rock. Stevie Nicks, please remember all models here at Q95 are 18 or older. Thank you very much. All right, it's Gunner. Hey, tonight, a special edition of an Omni Source Blue Friday.